Guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can add a hashtag to your video on TikTok. You're first going to want to record, so hit that record button. And I'm just going to record a few seconds. Then what you're going to want to do next is you're going to want to press add a sticker, so press stickers. And now you're just going to insert this hashtag sticker. I don't know why mine is in a different language, but I'm going to circle it so you'll know which one it is. Add a hashtag. Maybe this video is about Valorant. You can add that. Press next. And now you can just press post. And then people can sort of click on the hashtag that you have on your TikTok video. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!